Hi y'all, it's Kirby here with KJF-TravelAdventures, and we're at Magic Kingdom for the Annual Passholder Preview to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Let's go! The 2 stars on the crown on top of this water tower are Ray and Evangeline. Our group is called Let's Go! Let's clean y'all off a little.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you.
You will exit in the gift shop. Alright, my final thoughts on Tiana's Bayou adventure. I don't understand the hate. I mean, listen, all the people who say they don't want to ride it because they got rid of Splash Mountain, great, less people in line for me. It was really cute. The animatronics are incredible. They're so advanced compared to what was in Splash Mountain. They're so cool. Now that I wrote it, when I watched the like Disney preview that they dropped on YouTube and I didn't quite understand the storyline, writing it, I do, the drops are shrinking you and then the big drop is enlarging you back to your normal size. It was cute. The animatronics are great. You do get wet. It was nice and refreshing on a 90+ degree day. The accessibility wise, there are stairs to get to the entrance, but they will pull you out of line if you have a mobility aid or can't do stairs before you get to the stairs, and you'll go through the exit to get on the ride once you get to the stairs, and then there's no stairs from where they take you to exit. It is obviously challenge if you have any challenge getting down into the boat and out of the boat. The ride vehicles haven't changed from Splash Mountain. They're the same. My least favorite part of the queue, where you went when you're in the queue and you go inside, and it was like in the tunnel. If I'm remembering correctly, there used to be the regular line and at the time the Fast Pass or the Genie Plus line still at that point, so there were two lines going through this like narrow, small enclosed space, because it was before they merged those two lines. Now the merge point is before that, so it's one bigger open space, and I imagine now I didn't really have a wait, so we weren't backed up in this spot to see how they cram you in there, but it did feel more open because I wasn't side by side with a divider against another ride just surrounded by people. So I think that part is better. The ride is good. I know people don't like the virtual queue system. I love it because I would never wait 6 hours in line for a ride, but I might get on Tiana's again in the near future because of the virtual queue, because I'd rather, that means I don't have to stand in the same spot for 6 hours. I'm down. I wish more rides had virtual queues. Just saying. So I can't wait to ride it again. It was fantastic. I need to get Dana a ticket so she can ride it now. Sacrifice. Alright, I'm Kirby from KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye!